So guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can transfer USD from Bybit to your OKX wallet. So if you have OKX Web3 wallet, I will show you exactly how you can actually transfer USD to this particular wallet. So I will actually encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end because it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how you can do that. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you exactly how you can do that. So the first thing you have to obviously do is to register for your Web3 wallet on OKX. So as you can see, this is Web3 wallet, and you are going to click on this receiving option over here. Click on receiving option for you to choose the coin you actually want to transfer. So it's going to take a while for you to load up the coin you are going to choose. So as you can see, there are different coins you can actually transfer. So this particular linear ATL is for MemeFi that is going to be listing anytime soon. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how you can transfer USDT. So you are going to click on this USDT, which is the multi-chain. Click on USDT multi-chain. So there are different networks you can actually use. So you can use Ethereum, you can use Linear, you can use Tron, you can use Ton network, you can use Solana network, different network you can actually use. So there are a lot of network that supported this particular coin. So let's assume that I'm going to be using Ton so that they will not be able to charge me any fee for my transaction. So I'm going to click on Ton. So as you can see, this is my wallet address that I'm going to use. So I'm going to copy this wallet address, then come over to my Bybit account. So this is my Bybit account. Obviously, I believe that by now you should have funded your Bybit account using P2P or any means of funding to be able to get your USDT inside your Bybit account. So you are going to click on this asset over here, click on asset, and it's going to load up a page for you to do the transfer. So as you can see, it has loaded up successfully. So the next thing you have to do is to click on this withdrawal option. Click on withdrawal option for you to actually get your wallet address. So as you can see, we have USDT, we have Ton, we have Dog, but I'm actually transferring from my funding wallet. So I'm going to click on this USDT over here, and I'm going to actually paste the, like we copied the wallet address from our OKS. So we are going to copy this wallet address, copy, then come over to the particular option. Then we are going to paste this wallet address over here. We are going to paste the wallet address. And one of the important things you have to notice, you have to choose the right network. As you can see, we have network over here. Click on the option, and we are going to find Ton. Find Ton. So as you can see, they are going to be charging us just 0.30 USD for this particular transaction. So that is why I actually choose Ton, because if you are using TRC, they are going to charge us 1.3 USDT, so which is very, very much. So I'm going to choose Ton network, and if you check the wallet address you got from OKX, you are going to see that it's actually tally. So ensure you choose the right network, because failure to actually choose the right network, you might actually end up losing your money. So I'm going to go back again, then choose the amount of money I want to transfer. So this particular tag or memo is very, very important, so ensure you actually follow the procedure. So right now, as you can see, when we check our wallet address over here in our OKX wallet, as you can see, there's no tag or memo, so we are free to use any tag or either not to use any one at all. So I'm going to go back, then actually not to use any tag or memo here. So but peradventure, if you are transferring from somewhere like maybe Binance, that might actually require you to enter maybe 6 digits or 5 digits, but this particular wallet doesn't require us to add any memo or tag. So the next thing you have to choose is to choose the amount you want to transfer. So we are going to be transferring 5 USDT. So this is 5 USDT. Then as you can see, they are going to charge us 0.3 for this particular transaction. Unlike we using Tron network, they are going to charge us 1.3. So the next thing is to click on withdraw over here. Click on withdraw, and it's going to load up a page. So the next thing is to click on no verification. So I'm going to click on no verification since I'm the owner of the account, then click on confirm. So as you can see, I'm going to send OTP to my email address and also Google Authenticator to confirm this particular transaction. So as you can see, I've actually copied OTP for my email address and Google Authenticator. So the next thing is to click on confirm over here. As you can see, the transaction has been placed. So I'm going to wait for maybe 15 minutes or so to actually get this money inside my OKX Web3 wallet. So I'm going to pause this video and continue whenever I receive it.
A few moments later.
Welcome back, guys. So after some minutes, I actually got a notification that I've received this money successfully. So let me go back to my Web3 wallet. So as you can see, as you can see, like USDT receive into your account. So let me show you the transaction details. So I'm going to go back, go back completely, go back. So it's going to load up and you are going to see the transaction. So we are going to choose Web3 wallet because like normal exchange is no longer available here in Nigeria again. So we are going to choose Web wallet and show you the transaction details. So if you are liking this video so far, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channels. So as you can see, we have 5.59 USDT. So and if you check, this is the USDT we actually receive, and they actually charge us 0.3 for this particular transaction. So sending from one wallet to another is very simple if you can follow the procedure that have been teach on this particular YouTube channel. So you have to ensure you subscribe so that you are going to see next video coming up on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.